Hey guys, are you looking OBD2 scanner for Volvo? In this video I will show you top 5 best OBD2 scanner for Volvo to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, THINKCAR, model number, Thinktool Mini 2. This Bluetooth OBD2 scanner helps you check the engine, powertrain, chassis, body and other electrical equipment modules, such as transmission, steering, ABS, SRS, IMO, battery, oil service, DPF, gateway, air conditioner and more. Read or clear fault codes. Read the ECU information and display real-time data or parameters of various systems. This will help you better assess the status of each vehicle and complete repair work efficiently. Updated 28+ services in one Android-based 6-inch 1280x800 resolution touchscreen tablet tool. Powerful battery performance support, 5 hours of continuous use. Cortex-A9 processor offers swift and accurate diagnostics. Number 4. Brand name, FOXWELL, model number, NT710, 5.5-inch bright and intuitive full touchscreen. You can enjoy the clear and vibrant details of diagnostic data with fewer distractions. Say goodbye to the traditional complicated process of updating through a Windows computer. You can perform a one-click update via Wi-Fi, which is faster and more convenient. Auto scan technology can auto access to car information and scan vehicle systems by one touch, no longer needed to input manual. Automatically identify your vehicle's make, model and year information with one click. Clearly displaying real-time data in text and graph allows you to view multiple graphs simultaneously or merge 4 graphs in one for comparison. You can transmit the data reports via email, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi to share or send for save-its. Number 3. Brand name, THINKCAR, model number, Plus S4. THINKCAR THINKSCAN Plus S4, the OBD2 scanner specially designed for your car. ThinkScan Plus S4 is a mid to high-end DIY product based on Android system. It can realize online upgrade of diagnostic software. The latest designs and the latest concepts provide you with enough options to meet your different needs. Android 7.0 systems added the storage of ThinkScan Plus S4 from 8 GB to 16 GB, 256 GB memory for more vehicle models program, and the running memory up to 1.4 GHz, runs faster, smoother and more stable. ThinkScan Plus S4 OBD2 scanner for the most important car systems, including the engine, ABS, SRS, transmission and body control systems. The diagnostic scanner fits 120 vehicle brands worldwide. One-click free update via Wi-Fi. You do not need any newer scanner when you get a newer car. ThinkScan S4 car code scanner shows you the vehicle's essential information like RPM, load value, speed, O2 sensors, location and oil-air temperature in real time. Choose the data you need to know and present it simultaneously on the same chart. Helps you to identify and correct problems more easily and quickly. Number 2. Brand name, Topdon, model number, Phoenix Plus. This diagnostic scanner can quickly make an automatic connection to the vehicle ECU modules in all available onboard systems such as transmission, emission, fuel, engine, body, power, and many more, to perform a comprehensive automatic scanning to locate faulty area and retrieve DTCs related. Also a bidirectional car scanner to effortlessly determine a specific subsystem or component status instead of using vehicle's own controls. Topdon Phoenix Plus is a professional and all-in-one diagnostic tool. It has everything you need to diagnose, research and manage any problem at your fingertips with a smooth logical workflow where fully optimized easy-to-use software enables advanced OE levels online coding diagnostics. Complete two-way functions, access to all vehicle modules, etc. This latest Android 10.0 based diagnostic tablet boasts of its multitasking 4-core 2.0 GHz processor, visually stunning 10.1-inch 1280 x 800 touchscreen, faster 4 GB RAM processing, larger 64 GB ROM storage, 6000 mAh battery capacity, 8 megapixel rear camera. The rubberized housing protection secures it from accidental dropping, and the collapsible stand allows hands-free viewing. This Topdon Phoenix series diagnostic scan tool also carries out comprehensive all-system diagnoses. It offers access to all vehicle systems at levels comparable to authorized dealer scan tools. You can directly view the color-coded topology display for all communication structures between vehicle modules and click to check the fault code, saving the hassle of toggling menus back and forth to find what you want. Works as an automotive key programmer tool, boasting a variety of functions, including number of keys, pin reading, key learning, remote control learning, delete keys, and all keys lost on some Asian models. Number 1. Brand name, FOXWELL, model number, NT604 Elite. NT604 Elite car scanner allows you to get your VIN and vehicle info rapidly, no need to take time to find your VIN and input one by one. NT604 Elite offers technicians and enthusiasts an easy and affordable solution to pinpoint troubles of engine, transmission, ABS and airbags on major American, Asian and European makes. The NT604 Elite supports 10 excellent OBD2 functions, such as component test, in which the tool can run a test to check if any component in the car is not working correctly, such as the battery. FOXWELL Scanner NT604 Elite Car Computer Diagnostic Tool can merge PID text and graphics in a single graph. Multi-graph and merge two graphs for intuitive display. From the data of oil temp, pressure, transmission temp, engine speed, engine coolant temperature and short-term fuel trim, you will know which car part is abnormal. So this automotive diagnostic tool is convenient for car owner to purchase auto parts and replace it by yourselves.